Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add collections to Shopify. First, I'm going to show you how to create a collection. To do that, go to products from the options at the left, and under it, click on collections. Select create collection at the top right of the page. And you can then add in a title, for example, add in a description right here. Select a collection type to add products to it manually or smart, wherein Shopify can detect if there are any matching conditions that will be automatically added to the collection. Since I selected manual, under the product section, we can click on browse, and it will then show you the products and select the products you want to add to this collection. Once you're done, you can also add an image at the right part and also set up the sales channels. Click on save at the bottom right once you're done. And from here, to add a collection to our Shopify page, click on Online Store from the options at the left and go to the Themes page. From here, click on Customize in line with your current theme. And at the top, you can then select on which page you want to add the collection to. I'm just going to select my home page. And from the left, we can see an Add section under the template. So click on Add section. And you can then select whether you want to add a featured collection or a collection list. So I'm just going to select a featured collection, and it will then be added to your page. You can move it depending on where you want it to go. And at the left, you can then edit this specific template. Firstly, the collection, we can select it. And I'm going to select the casual shirts collection that I just created. And it should be added like this. And you can then edit the text as the heading and the other text to it as well. Once you're done editing this specific part of the page, click on save at the top right, and you should now be done adding your collection to your Shopify page. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.